I'm excited. Did you say one piece of crap boosting another?
Where?
Oh, like my car, you have to... No, you still have to do something, Kim.
There should be something near the door. Are you taping this thing?
I am. Well, if someone dies, it needs to be documented. I don't want to be held responsible. I am terrified for your lives. Kim, don't be such a pussy. That light just got brighter. The light under her hood, that thingy.